warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo LURR, kembali lagi di channel Hakim Ahmad. Bagaimana kabar Anda semua? Saya selalu doakan semoga Anda semua baik-baik saja. Amin ya robbal alamin. Oke, di kesempatan kali ini kita akan sama-sama melihat kompilasi reaksi dari para reaktor atau musisi luar negeri yang mereaksi penyanyi bersuara tinggi, yaitu Dimas Senopati. Oke, tanpa berlama-lama mari kita langsung gas saja ke videonya.
Richard Marx, he right here waiting. It's the song called I'm excited to do it. I don't know who he is, nor do I know the song, but it's been highly recommended. So
Dimas Senopati, his cover 2 right here waiting for you from Richard Marx. And
in this video I'm going to be reacting again to another cover by Dimas Senopati, this time to the song Right Here Waiting For You by Richard Marx. Oh guys, you guys can imagine how much I love that song. So
let's see. Okay.
Oceans apart, day after day, and I slowly go insane. I hear your voice on the line, but it doesn't stop the pain. If I see you next to never, how can we say forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you.
Okay, so I did hear the song, but I have never watched the music video, and I'm actually not even sure if I heard the song sang by a woman, so like a cover, or actually this version. I'm very confused right now. I feel like I've been bombarded by this song from multiple sources, because I definitely recognize it, but I don't know from where. I have no freaking clue. So we're doing it.
I took for granted all the times that I thought would last somehow. I hear the laughter, I taste the tears, but I can get near you now. Oh, can't you see it, baby? You've got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. I wonder how we can survive this romance, but in the end, if I'm with you, I'll take the day, yeah.
Okay, that's I think a guitar solo right there, but I want to hear these notes one more time. Honestly, reading the lyrics and everything, I think the song is about like a long distance relationship, you know, like it's really freaking beautiful song.
Oh, can't you see it, baby? You've got me going crazy. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Waiting for you.
Oh my god.
It was even better than I thought it could be. Honestly, so good. Really love it.
I don't even know what was best in this song. Is it the piano? Is it the vocals? Is it the guitar? What is more touching? I have no idea. I think that the combination between the three of them, it's really beautiful. In the same time, like I was probably not born or conceived or around when this song was released, and due to the video and you know like how much emotion and how much passion it's put into the song, I can definitely say that it's way before my time. It's so beautiful.
Okay, Dimas Senopati right here waiting from Richard Marx.
Oke, dan mungkin seperti itu aja untuk video hari ini. Semoga bisa memberikan hiburan dan manfaat untuk Anda semua, lur. Dan saya akhiri, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.